1. Earthquakes. Earthquakes occur when stress builds up between tectonic plates until it's violently released, shaking the Earth's surface. They can destroy cities in seconds, triggering landslides, fires, and tsunamis. The 2010 Haiti earthquake killed over 200,000 people in just 35 seconds. Earthquakes are unpredictable and strike without warning, making them especially terrifying. Countries like Japan, Indonesia, and Chile are frequent hotspots due to their location on tectonic boundaries. Seismologists use sensors to detect tremors, but complete prediction remains impossible. The ground you walk on can crack, shift, and collapse, making earthquakes one of nature's most destructive forces. 2. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are massive sea waves triggered by undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. They move fast, up to 500 miles per hour in deep ocean, but rise into devastating walls of water when they reach land. In 2004, a 9.1 magnitude quake off Indonesia unleashed a tsunami that killed over 230,000 people across 14 countries. Tsunamis wipe out coastlines, drag entire towns into the sea, and leave behind catastrophic destruction. Warning systems and education save lives, but sometimes there's only minutes to react. Tsunamis are silent in the deep, but roar like monsters when they strike land, leaving little chance for escape. 3. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes are Earth's pressure valves, releasing molten rock, gas, and ash from deep within the planet. Eruptions can be explosive, melting glaciers, burying cities, and poisoning the air. Mount Vesuvius destroyed Pompeii in 79 AD. In 1980, Mount St. Helens in the US erupted with the power of 1,600 Hiroshima bombs. Volcanic ash can ground flights, disrupt agriculture, and cause respiratory issues even thousands of miles away. Some volcanoes erupt without warning. Others give signs like tremors or gas emissions. With over 1,500 active volcanoes globally, these sleeping giants constantly remind us of Earth's volatile nature. 4. Hurricanes, typhoons, cyclones. Hurricanes, known as typhoons in Asia and cyclones in the Indian Ocean, are massive storms fueled by warm ocean water. They bring devastating winds, torrential rains, and powerful storm surges that flood coastal cities. Hurricane Katrina in 2005 left New Orleans underwater and claimed over 1,800 lives. These storms can span hundreds of miles and last for days, flattening homes, uprooting trees, and displacing millions. Early warnings help, but their scale and power make them hard to escape. Climate change is increasing their intensity, making hurricanes one of the most dangerous recurring disasters on Earth. 5. Tornadoes. Tornadoes are violently rotating columns of air that descend from thunderstorms and make contact with the ground. They can reach wind speeds of over 300 miles per hour, capable of shredding houses, lifting cars, and tossing debris like missiles. The US experiences more tornadoes than any other country, especially in Tornado Alley. The 2011 Joplin tornado killed 158 people and left a 2-mile-wide path of destruction. Tornadoes can form rapidly and vanish within minutes, giving little time for escape. They're terrifying not just for their power, but their unpredictability and the sheer chaos they unleash on whatever lies in their path. 6. Floods. Floods are the most common and widespread natural disaster. They occur when rivers overflow, dams break, or heavy rain overwhelms drainage systems. Flash floods can happen in minutes, especially in urban areas, sweeping away people and vehicles. Coastal cities face the double threat of storm surge and rising sea levels. In 1931, China's Yangtze River flood is estimated to have killed between 1 to 4 million people, making it the deadliest flood in history. Floodwaters contaminate drinking water, spread disease, and displace entire populations. Though predictable, floods still cause billions in damage and countless lives each year. 7. Droughts. Droughts are prolonged periods of little to no rainfall, leading to water shortages, failed crops, famine, and economic collapse. Unlike sudden disasters, droughts creep in slowly and stay for months or even years. The Dust Bowl in the 1930s. America turned fertile land to dust, forcing millions to flee. In modern times, droughts in sub-Saharan Africa continue to threaten food security. Climate change and deforestation worsen the problem. Droughts may not break buildings, but they break societies, draining resources, fueling conflict, and forcing migration. It's a silent disaster that starves rather than strikes. 8. Wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that consume forests, homes, and entire landscapes, fueled by dry weather, wind, and human negligence. They can move faster than a car, jumping highways and rivers. In 2019, Australia's bushfires burned over 46 million acres and killed or displaced nearly 3 billion animals. The 2018 Camp Fire in California leveled the town of Paradise, killing 85 people. Wildfires release massive carbon emissions, worsen air quality, and disrupt ecosystems. As climate change dries out vegetation and lengthens fire seasons, these disasters are growing deadlier. What begins as a spark can turn into an inferno in moments.